If your client onboarding is feeling just a little raggedy right now, the problem probably isn't that you're just disorganized. It's just that one important piece or more are missing from behind the scenes. Something that I've noticed time and time again among coaches is that they assume that onboarding is just sending a link to their calendar or sending a link for payment. The reality is that onboarding is actually an experience. When that experience is unclear or extremely clunky, clients are going to feel it immediately. I'm going to show you three things that might be missing, and once you see them, you will not be able to unsee them. And you're going to have to fix it, but don't worry, I'm going to be here to hold your hand the whole way through. The first missing piece is a clear starting point. So many coaches don't define what happens after a client says yes. And so that's probably what's happening to you. Your clients end up getting multiple emails, random links sent to them, or you end up having to do a ton of manual follow-ups. And so this messiness usually just comes from not having things in a proper sequence, not necessarily from a lack of effort on your part. So I know you're working hard, but now we gotta work smart. The second missing piece that I see all the time is not having one central hub for your clients. When the tools that you're using to run your business are super scattered and all over the place, and you've kind of just duct taped them together, hoping that they work out, you end up feeling unprofessional, even if you are amazing at coaching, which I know you are because you're subscribed to this channel. And having things so scattered ends up leading you to being stressed out. You're constantly second guessing yourself, and you're constantly chasing details that could have all just been organized in one place if you had one central hub to hold all of your clients. And here's the thing, you being more organized and having this one hub is not only going to give you confidence, it's going to give your clients confidence in you. And that's because you're not going to have to send those awkward, oops, I'm sorry, I double booked and now I have to cancel one of your sessions messages, or oops, I didn't send you an invoice. We already got started. Can you go ahead and pay me? So when you get organized like this, everything is going to happen automatically with so much less friction. And by the way, if you want help setting up an automated client onboarding system inside of Paperbell step by step, my mini course Booked and Automated walks you through it. It's only $27 right now, and I will link it below. But for now, let's keep going because this next missing piece in your backend is super important. That third piece is automation that supports you, not replaces you. I want to emphasize here that automation is not about being robotic. It's all about removing your mental load. And I know that if you have multiple clients right now, you can totally relate to doing everything manually gets real old real fast. At a certain point, your body just rejects the thought of doing anything manually and is begging for an easier way. And unfortunately, that leads to burnout, which I don't want for you. So when your onboarding runs smoothly and it's automated, you end up showing up more calm and more present for your clients. And I'm here to tell you that doing things in the most simple way possible will always beat making things more complex. So if your onboarding is feeling messy, if it's feeling a little raggedy, you're probably just missing clarity, missing a central system, or supportive automation. I know things can feel real chaotic right now, so I want to remind you that you do get to run a business with a back end that feels organized and feels calm and is fully automated so that you can do what you do best, which is coaching your clients. So let me know in the comments which one of these three pieces is missing currently in your back end. And if this video resonated with you, the next video I want you to watch is called What Happens After a Client Says Yes and Why Most Backends Break Here. I will put it on the screen. I'm not sure if it's on this side or this side, but it's going to be up there. So go watch it now so you can start building a backend that feels organized and calm, and I will see you there. Bye.